Hey guys, I'm the Dopey Dinosaur, and today I will be making this tiny little volcano erupt. I'll bring it closer to the screen so it's easier to see. There we go. And it'll probably be really awesome. I don't know what's going to happen because I've never tried this before. So, here we go. So I think what it said on the instructions was to pour some baking soda in, which is here. And I have to open this, and there's a little hatch thing. I don't know if you can see it. How's this gonna work? I know. Do this. Go, it's going in. Okay, that should be enough. Put the rest back in the container. It's not really going back in there. There we go. Oops, I got it a bit everywhere. And then I have to put this back on. It's really hard when you're trying to be careful so it doesn't spill. And then I think it said to put some vinegar in through the top like this. So I will do that. With some vinegar in here. Whoa! I don't know if you can see that, but I think you missed it. Wow, that was amazing. I'll try again. I'll have to tip this out and then I'll try again. Okay. Oh, that was really cool. Okay, so I need to get some. More powder in here, it's perfect. I'll try and get it out for you as quick as I can next time, because it really fizzes up so quick. It's unbelievable. Okay, good. Just gonna rest it on the top this time. Put the rest of it in here. Whoa! Can you see that? Don't know if you can see it, but it was really cool. It just went. So guys, next I will be, I think it said you can also put it in a cup of water and it will do some medical stuff. So I'll come back with that. Okay guys, I'm back. But this time with a cup of water. I don't know how this is gonna go, but I'm guessing not very good. So let's get started again. Before I did it, yeah, it has some stuff left over in it, so I have to tip that out again. Oh, and sorry guys if there's a loud noise behind me because the spa is turned on, or as you Americans would say, a hot tub. So yeah, don't mind that. Try and hear me. So let's do it. I think there's already some leftover powder in this little volcano thingamabob. I'm gonna have to somehow get that out. I don't know how. Really try this time. whatever. Good enough. Now, I need some vinegar, and I also need more stuff. Got rid of it. Wait, no, this is baking soda, and this is baking powder. Sorry guys. What's going to happen, guys. It could either end up really well and be really cool, or it could end up really bad and be really messy. And it's already been cooked. I'll try with a glass of water. It's not going in. I just blew it to make it go in and it went everywhere. On my eye. Oh. My eye. No, it really stings. Feels like my eye's on fire. Oh, I'm so dumb. Hopefully it's good enough. Oh. Ready to drop them in. Now, what should I do? How do I do this? I don't really know. How should I do this? Okay. That's enough thinking. I'm just gonna hold it over and then put some in it and quickly let go of it and drop it into the water. So, try this. And it's added some bacon. Oh, it's not sinking. It's meant to sink. Oh, it's overflowing. Guys, it's overflowing. Oh wow, it's actually bubbling up. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's really cool. I'll try and show it to you. I'll do it again and show it to you. Okay, try that again. That didn't go so well. It's coming out. Oh, good enough. Okay, try again. Pour some of this in. I think that was a bit much. God, this is a lot of cleaning to do after this. Let's get some of this. Sorry if you guys can't see the volcano right now, but You don't really need to see it because I'm just putting the ingredients in. Okay, that is very full. So that's in. Here we go. I won't do the golden color. I won't use this time. I'll oh my god! Oh my god! It's all turned white. Look at that. Look at that, it's all turned white. You can see the volcano just there in the bottom. That is so white. Look at my hands. Oh, you can't really see it because they're wet, but they're all really messed up. Oh. Oh, it smells like a watermelon, but with like rotten egg on the inside of it. It stinks so bad. Oh my god. Oh, I can't even get it. I'm trying to get it out. It's stuck in there. Oh, my hand's too stuck. My god, this is so annoying. I bet you love watching me struggle to get this out. There we go. Oh, that was so hard. Look at that. So white now. Oh, you want to see the inside? Okay. Wow, it's not even opening. Look at that, it's not even coming out. A bit of it comes off, but it doesn't come out. Oh, now I've got that on my finger. Oh, this is so messy. I don't know who's going to clean this up. Someone is. Oh. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do leave a big fat thumbs up and please consider subscribing to join the Dopey Dinosaur on all his crazy adventures. And goodbye.